Hello everyone, welcome to this Sisense tutorial. In this video, we will walk through the basics of using Sisense, from connecting data to building an interactive dashboard to sharing insights with your team. Sisense is a business intelligence and analytics platform that helps you turn raw data into interactive dashboards and visualization. With Sisense, you can connect to multiple data sources, prepare and model data, and share insights across your organization. You can go to Google and search Sisense. You have to visit this site, or you can directly go to www.sisense.com. This screen will be visible. Here, you can start a trial today, and there you have to use your work mail. You cannot sign in using your Gmail. So, once you sign up with your work mail, this screen will be visible. To get started, let's use one of Sisen's built-in sample datasets. Here I'll select the retail dataset. It contains fields like product, categories, regions and sales. Normally you would connect to databases, cloud app or spreadsheets, but for this demo, sample data makes it quick and easy. Now let's build a dashboard and I'll click new dashboard, choose our retail dataset and give it a name. This is where we can add different widgets, charts, KPIs, tables and maps to explore our data visually. Let's start by adding a bar chart. Here you can create a new widget. You can select a data. To create a bar chart, I'll add a new widget. This is for the sales order ID, and here I'll add the category name. Now let's say it's created. We can sort it, change colors, and switch between horizontal and vertical layouts. You can see this is added here. You can add your title to differentiate it between other, or you can edit it here. This is advanced configuration, which we can do however we like. This is design filters. Dashboard become powerful when you add filters. So let's add a filter for region. Users can slice the data to see sales by category. However, the region filters are here. Let's say adding region Europe. Once we apply it, we can see the sales data changing like this. This is for USA. By using slice filter, you can see how the data changes. Now this makes the dashboard interactive and let stakeholder explore the data themselves. We can apply it on Europe. Now you may be wondering, how does Sisense compare to tools like Power BI or Tableau? Because all the features and all the functionalities are similar. So let me explain that. Power BI is tightly integrated with Microsoft tools and is cost effective for businesses already in Microsoft ecosystem. Tableau is known for advanced visualization and data storytelling, great for deep analysis and presentation. On the other hand, Sisense shines in embedding analytics directly into application. It handles large dataset efficiently and offering strong customization through its Elastic Cube data model. It also provides AI assistant, which is obviously in other tools also, but if you want to deal with large dataset and if you want a proper assistant, the choice often depends on whether you prioritize integration, visualization depth, or embedding and scalability. And that's your quick introduction to Sisense. You now know how to connect data, create a dashboard, build a bar chart, ad filters, and how Sisense compares with other BI tools. With Sisense, your team can make smarter data driven decisions. Thanks for watching.